Are you one of those that cracks knuckles, like me? Do you think this is healthy? As you can see in this video, there are carbon dioxide bubbles in diarthritial joints. You make them pop by pulling and bending your joints frictionally. Since it takes a little time for those bubbles to reappear, you cannot crack the same knuckle all the time. You might need to wait about 10 minutes in between. Our elders say this causes some illnesses like arthritis, yet they are wrong this time. There hasn't been one single study that correlates arthritis and cracking knuckles whatsoever. Even a doctor named Donald Unger cracked the knuckles only on his left hand for about 50 years. Yet after all this time there wasn't any difference between his two hands. In 2009, he won the humoristic Ig Nobel Prize for this remarkable work.